Hello everyone, myself Ashish Kumar, and today in this video we are going to read D and F block of NCERT book. So let's start. So the D block of the periodic table contains the elements of group 3 to 12, in which d orbitals are positively filled in each of the four long periods. The elements constituting the F blocks, those in which 4F, 4F, 5F are progressively filled. In the latter two long periods, these elements are formal member of group 3, which they have been taken out for a separate F block of periodic table. The names transition metals and inner transition metals are often used to refer to the elements of D and F block respectively. There are mainly three series of the transition metals: 3D series Sc2Zn, and 4D series Y2CD, and 5D series La to Sg, omitting Ce and Lu. The fourth 6D series, which begins with Ac, is still incomplete. The two series known as lanthanoids and acetinoids respectively. Strictly speaking, a transition metals is defined as one which has incompletely filled d orbital in ground state or any one of its oxidation states. Zinc, cadmium and mercury of group 12 have a full D10 configuration in their ground state as well as their common oxidation state, and hence are not regarded as transition metals. However, being the end members of three transition series, their chemistry is studied along with chemistry of transition metals. The presence of partially filled d orbitals in their almost sets the study of transition elements and their compound apart from that of main group elements. However, the usual theory of valence as applicable to main group elements can also be applied successfully to transition elements. Various precious metals such as silver, gold, and platinum, and industrially important metals like iron, copper, titanium form part of the transition metals. In this unit, besides introduction, we shall first deal with electronic configuration, occurrence, and general characteristic of transition elements, with special emphasis on the trends of in the properties of first row 3D transition metals and preparation and properties of some important compounds. This will be followed by consideration of certain general aspects such as electronic configuration, oxidation state, and chemical reactivity in the inner transition metals. So our next topic is the transition element D block, in which we have to first study position in periodic table. The D block occupies the large middle section flanked by S and P block in the periodic table. The very name transition given to the elements and D is only because of their position between S and P block elements. The D orbitals of penultimate energy level in their atoms received electrons, giving rise to in three rows of transition metals, that is 4D, 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 5D. The fourth row 6D is still incomplete. These series of transition elements are shown in figure 8, table 8.1. Second, electronic configuration of D block elements. In general, the electronic configuration of these elements is n-1 D 1 to 10 ns 1 to 10. The n-1 stands for the inner d orbitals which may have electron. However, this generalization has several expectations because of very little energy difference between n-1 into d and ns orbitals. A consequence of this factor is reflected in the electronic configuration of Cr and Cu in 3D series. Consider the case of chromium, for example, which has 3d6 4s1 instead of 3d4 4s2. The energy gap between the two sets 3d and 4s orbitals is small enough to prevent electrons entering the d orbitals 3d orbitals. Similarly, in case of Cu, the configuration is 3d10 4s1 and not 3d 9 4s2. The outer electronic configuration of the transition elements are given in table 8.1. So the electronic configuration of Zn, Cd and Hd are represented by the general formula n-1 d10 ns2. The orbitals in these elements are completely filled in ground state as well as in the common oxidation state. Therefore, they are not regarded as transition elements. The d orbitals in transition elements projects to the periphery of an atom more than other orbitals, that is s and p. Hence, they are more influenced by surroundings as well as affecting the atoms or molecules surrounding them. In some respects, ions of given d10 configuration n is equal to 1 minus 1 to 9 have similar magnetic and electronic properties. With partially filled d orbitals, these elements exhibit certain characteristic property such as display a variety of oxidation state, formation of colored ions, and entering into complex formation with variety of ligands. The transition metals in their compounds also exhibit catalytic property and paramagnetic behavior. All these characteristics have been discussed in detail in this unit. There are greater horizontal similarity in the property of the transition elements in contrast to main group elements. However, some group similar similarities also exist. We shall first study the general characteristics and their trends in horizontal rows, particularly 3D row, and then consider the some group similarity. So our next topic is physical properties. I will cover this topic in the next video. So thank you everyone.